I'm an anonymous countertenor. I sing like a woman, but I love it.
Tonight, in some places, we were completely one instrument, one riff, and one soul. That's very, very important.
Crkva Svetog Nikole koja tek sada ulazi u uporabu kao koncertni prostor, što mislim da je jedan prekrasan prostor, svakako i vizualno i akustički.
Sa Tifonosom sam u Zadru po 5. put od 2009. godine.
Prostor je poseban zbog zidova koji su stari, koji u biti ruina, nama je zvuk poseban, mi koji sjedimo i sviramo.
We play a very interesting sonata which I only recently discovered by a composer named Schreckel. He was a Berliner composer and he wrote a lot of operas, but his chamber music is not very well known. And I think it's a beautiful sonata. I'm really, really happy to have found it and to be able to present it here in Zadar.
Jako sam zadovoljan koncertom, mislim da su ovi koncerti u Zadru potrebni.
Bilo lepo i publika zaista voli ovde i ceni i zna muziku.